Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue. I tried to run YouTube on my Safari browser, but despite my iPhone having connected with Wi-Fi or cellular data, I could not serve my purpose. Common issue, as many iPhone users have complained that they cannot use the internet even though the iPhone is connected with Wi-Fi or cellular data. There can be various reasons behind this choice. You should not be worried about it, as we will tell you how to get rid of this issue of iPhone connected to Wi-Fi but no internet. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is restart your network device and your iPhone. For this, you just need to go to setting, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on shutdown. Next, slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is reset the network settings on your iPhone. For this, launch the iPhone setting. Next, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset. From here, tap on reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode to reset network settings and you are done. And the next step is turn off location services. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on privacy and security and then tap on location services. Now tap on location services toggle button at the top. Now tap on turn off to confirm again and you are done. And the next step is turn airplane mode on and off. For this, launch the iPhone settings. Next, tap on the airplane mode toggle button to turn it on. Wait for 30 seconds and then toggle the airplane mode off again to see the outcome of this process. And you are done. And the next step is disable low data mode and low power mode. For this, go to settings, tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on the eye icon next to your network. From here, scroll down and then tap on low data mode toggle button to turn it off. Next, go back to settings, scroll down and go to battery. Now tap on low power mode toggle button to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is update iOS version to the latest. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available. Then download and install the new iOS version and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of Wi-Fi connected but no internet. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.